In parts of South Africa, there are still big herds of wild animals like zebras, elephants, and giraffes. But today, many of these animals are in danger because people are taking the land that animals need. Conservationists are people who protect wildlife and nature, and many of them are now leading a fight to save these animals. Louis Liebenberg is one of these conservationists.
The most important thing is to try and get an understanding of what's happening out there.
Liebenberg reports that people need to know more about animals. He says that people need to understand what happens to plants and animals over time. Are they increasing or decreasing in numbers? What plants are the animals eating? For hundreds of years, African bushmen have been very good wild animal trackers. They know what the animals eat, where they go, and where they sleep. But they don't always speak the same language as the conservationists, so it can be difficult to communicate. Now, Liebenberg has brought an invention to the Karoo National Park. It's called the Cyber Tracker. He hopes that together, the Cyber Tracker and the bushmen can help protect the animals. Liebenberg explains that the Cyber Tracker is a small computer that helps collect information about animals with pictures called icons instead of words. That way the bushmen can record what they see even without words. According to Liebenberg, the Cyber Tracker can collect very detailed and complicated information, and it can do it very quickly. The Cyber Tracker also contains a global positioning device. Each time a bushman sees something interesting about an animal or plant, he pushes a button. The Cyber Tracker records exactly where the man is. That way, even if the man can't read or write, he can record what he sees and where. Liebenberg explains that the Cyber Tracker uses icons or pictures to communicate. There are pictures for drinking, walking, fighting, sleeping, eating, and other things. The user can report whether an animal is sick or dead, too. The bushman can also record other meanings by pushing different buttons. With this option, they can name about 50 different plants.
3 females, 3 youngsters, and 1 male.
Liebenberg adds that the human factor is very important. A big part of using the Cyber Tracker is the bushman's ability to understand and record what he sees. When the trackers return to their base, they connect the Cyber Tracker to a personal computer. Then Liebenberg uses the information to make maps. These maps show where the animal herds are, what they are eating, and what their health is like. The Cyber Tracker project started several years ago. At first, the idea was to help a few animals in danger. Now, more and more people have started using the Cyber Tracker in African parks and with different animals. Recently, Liebenberg put the Cyber Tracker software on the internet. Many conservationists around the world have started adding the technology to their conservation programs. Soon, the Cyber Tracker may be able to help wild animals everywhere.